Morgan here. Thanks again for watching all our videos. We're about to show you a mobile office trailer that we're building for the United States Air Force. They're going to be using this thing to wire up different components for drones and what have you. I can only say a little bit about it, so anyway, don't ask too many questions. But guys, we're on the grounds of Rock Solid Cargo Trailers here in Douglas, Georgia. We're at the manufacturing plant, and we've got an 8.5 by 22 mobile office trailer that we're going to be showing you today with a lot of different upgrades on it. We're just going to walk around the trailer and show you some of the stuff that we've added to the basic build. The 7-foot interior height. We've got an extended triple tube tongue here, guys. This helps the trailer pull better. It gives you a tighter turn radius, and also gives you a little room if you need some area to add a platform or something on it. Here, this is an upgrade to our electrical package. It's a motor-based plug. We highly recommend that you add this to your electrical package. And what that does is you plug in your lifeline up here, and then you can also plug it into your power source, whether it's a shoreline or a generator or what have you. And they've got a mighty fine generator on this trailer that you will see in just a little bit. It is a Onan, 12,000 watt Onan with a fuel cell on it as well. The thing that we did to this trailer is a walk-on roof. So you can actually get up on top of this trailer and walk on the roof. This is the access ladder, and Jake, I'll take the camera up there. So guys, this is the one-piece aluminum walk-on roof. You can actually get up there and walk around. You can also see the racking system that it has. They're gonna put a spool of wire up there and feed it through the trailer to be able to wire these different components up. This is that 12,000 watt Onan generator that I was telling you about. This is a bad boy, son. I don't know what they're going to be powering up in this thing, but they're going to have plenty of power to do whatever they want to inside of this trailer. This is the fuel cell for the generator as well, 30-gallon fuel cell. One's got a little access door right there, and then also you can open the big part right here, and they can feed stuff in and out of the trailer. There's a base cabinet on the inside of the trailer that you'll see when we go in there. And we've got 7,000-pound tandem axles, heavy-duty axles. Comes with a 16-inch wheel, 8 lug, 7,000-pound tandem. We've got some thicker aluminum skin on this trailer. Is this an 030? 030 aluminum skin. Thicker aluminum exterior siding on it. We've got some GFI receptacles on here, and also you can see up top, that's that Rainer rack system that I told you that we installed onto the roof. They're going to be putting a spool of wire up there and running wire, feeding it through that access door inside of the trailer. A ramp door on the rear, guys. Right here we've got the ramp covered in ATP anodized tread plate. If you come in here, you can also see a bunch of D-rings where they can strap down different pieces of equipment. Those D-rings are welded to the frame, so you can strap down whatever you want. They ain't going nowhere. They're not just surface mounted. They're welded to the frame. Receptacles on the inside, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this back room. We've also got a partition wall that separates the back part of the office from the front part. We've got two 15,000 watt or 15,000 BTU air conditioners on this thing. It's going to be plenty of air conditioner to cool this amount of space. You'll actually be able to hang meat in it. We've got some interior lights as well. You'll power those through your electrical package. We covered the walls in white metal, trimmed it out in aluminum trim. Just looks really good here, guys. We've also got a jack mounted in the, or not a jack, but a winch mounted in the floor. So you can do whatever you want to with that. They'll be able to pull up whatever equipment they're trying to pull up with the winch. You'll notice this switch, these are Lippert stabilizer jacks that let up and down. You can hear them working right there, but they're up under the rear of the trailer, and they actually, they're electric jacks that let up and down and stabilize the trailer. So if they're on unlevel ground, they can let the jacks down and it will stabilize the trailer. We've got the wheel wells covered in diamond plate, aluminum tread plate right there. This is another part of the office, guys. So this is where they'll be working. The Air Force will be working in here, utilizing this as office space. We've got overhead cabinets right here. Plenty of storage space up there for them. We've got some base cabinets down here. So if you look in there, that's where your lifeline is. We've got a power switch, pushed up start button for the diesel generator right there. So you can fire that bad boy up from being inside of the trailer. We've got plenty of receptacles. This looks like about a 24-inch deep cabinet with countertop space for them to be able to work on. Again, we've got another AC in this front room, a 15,000 BTU air conditioner here. Covered the walls in white metal and the roof as well. More GFI receptacles on the exterior of this trailer as well. So those are GFI exterior receptacles. Guys, if you're looking for a mobile office trailer or a mobile command trailer or any kind of trailer, guys, we've always said at Renown Cargo Trailers, if you can dream it, we can build it. So they had a dream, we just helped them accomplish their dreams and be a little small part of what they're doing at the Air Force. Guys, we thank you for the opportunity to earn your business, and we look forward to earning all of you guys' business who are watching these videos. We're here in Douglas, Georgia. We're the largest trailer dealer here for Rock Solid Cargo, and we love what we do and do what we love. We can't wait to talk to you soon. You can give us a call at 1-888-287-3954. You can also find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We've also got a concession trailer website, concessiontrailer.com. You can find us all over the web, man. We're real easy to find, Facebook, TikTok. Go watch our YouTube videos. There's a lot of information on those videos. A lot of time when people purchase, they don't know exactly what they want. That's why we try to ask, what are you using the trailer for? And we will help you create and design the trailer to fit your needs perfectly. Guys, thanks for watching our videos. And if there's one thing I want to tell you, man, that Jesus loves you. If you don't get nothing else out of this video, I want you to know that the Lord came to save. He saved my life when I was 26 years old. I got reborn again, and my life hadn't been the same since. If you just want to talk about Jesus, you can give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers, and we love to do that as well. That's why we got into this business. It was never about trailers. It's always been about people. And guys, we look forward to talking to you soon. Until then, y'all know the rest. Please be blessed.